Hello everyone, welcome to all. Today we will talk about the image formation by convex mirror. So this is the structure. Only two conditions we have to learn in this convex mirror ray diagram. So this is the principal axis we have made, and the object is kept at infinity. Object is where it at infinity. Suppose there is some position where objects are kept. So this is just a position. This is A and B. This is the object. So this object will give the incident ray on the mirror. So many incident ray will come in this. So first we have to draw like this, and this we have to join. So this is incident ray, so this will reflected back. This will reflected back. So this reflected back means this. So this has to, again we have to draw here also. So this will come on this F. So in some position C is there. Okay. So again the parallel line will come. जो भी पैरेलल लाइन से जाते हैं वो फोकस से ही पास होते हैं. So this is one incident ray. So it will reflect it back here. So this reflected back should be meet with this point. So this is reflected back. Sorry, this is the wrong. So this is reflected back and this will meet in this F point here also. So see, if position means if objects are kept at infinity, then the position of image will be formed behind the mirror, means this on the focus. So how it is, see. So position of image is at the focus because there are reflecting ray are meeting. So at focus, size would be diminished, highly diminished, because point size image will be formed highly diminished, and the image formation, the nature of that would be virtual and erect. सेकेंड इमेज का फॉर्मेशन हम लोग देखते हैं कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के थ्रू. यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन जो है इन्फिनिटी के अलावा हम लोग कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. सी दिस इज सी, दिस इज सी, दिस इज एफ, बोथ साइड वी हैव टू मेक ना. सो दिस इज सी, दिस इज एफ, सी एफ. सो इमेज at any position other than infinity. See here we have taken any object. इन्फिनिटी के पहले हम लोग को लेना, इन्फिनिटी के पहले कहीं भी ले सकते हैं, इसका इमेज फॉर्मेशन एक जैसा ही होगा. तो ये इंसिडेंट रे यहाँ पे पास हुआ, पैरेलल है तो ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे. सो दिस विल रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक एंड दिस विल पास थ्रू द this will pass through this is reflected ray, and this is this normal line that will pass through the center of curvature. Then one more thing, one more incident ray will this is incident ray and this is passing through center of curvature. So this will reflected back in the same path. This is incident ray, so this will reflected back from here. So this is the image formation where two ray are meeting with each other. So this is the path where image will be formed. This is A dash, B dash. Huh? So position of image is between, this is P, na? Actually it is not made between P and A, but it will be like that, P and A. So it will made, we have to suppose this will made on between P and A. P और F के बीच कहीं पर ये इमेज बनेगा. इसका साइज कैसा होगा, इस ऑब्जेक्ट का डिमिनिश्ड होगा, लेकिन पहले वाले से सही होगा. यहाँ पे कुछ छोटा होगा. और ये इसका नेचर क्या होगा, वर्चुअल and erect. So we have seen about the convex mirror image formation. There is generally two condition is given for the convex mirror. Hope you like this video and you have learned this how to make the ray diagram for concave mirror, convex mirror and the rules. If you like this video, please share with your friends and like to this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.